I live upon this earth. I live upon this earth like a quiet god. I behold everything still I have none. I regged myself as a youth. I lay among roses I loved and boozed. It ashes to see my blooms a drop, but since only the true buds on my lips, this withering must be his. Unconscious, I might as well sin. And now I am haunted by this. I will position it divine bliss. I perceive my sins in all size. What once I used to be is all gone. For I am, as the poet says, grandeur, the soul sees, turmoil, and peculiar, like all men and mankind, an endless hunger for love. And still I trust in a glorious God, who lives up in the skies like us within us. This God will restore you and I, so we shall be a more human mankind.